you guys with something. This view, oh my goodness, this is jaw dropping, like literally.